All right, everybody, I just want to quickly demonstrate how to get back into Fusion 360. I know it's been a while. So open up a new browser, get to our homepage for the school district, which is automatically opens when you open up Google Chrome. Click into Schoology. It's going to sign in automatically as long as you have your credentials saved. Otherwise, sign in. Go to our class, IED, and then we're going to go into our course materials folder. Just hit the little caret to drop down all of the folders inside of it, and you'll see the Fusion Online Autodesk.com link. Click on that. It's going to give it to you in Schoology, but I want you to hit the little box with the arrow in the upper right hand corner, and that is going to take you to the Autodesk site itself. From there, I want you to hit the orange Launch Fusion 360 button and let that load. Now, pause here the video while you wait for your Fusion 360 to load. Once Fusion 360 has loaded for you, make sure you access the data panel in the upper left-hand corner of the web page. Go to IED, click on your class period, access the project file, and make sure you save your project file in that folder for grading. Otherwise, you can get started on building your three-dimensional model inside the workspace. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask.